Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 2021 Mazda CX-5 Signature. This is finished in a Soul Red Crystal Metallic. This is all-wheel drive, the 2.5 liter turbocharged engine. I'm gonna walk you around, try and point out any imperfections that I see, but this car is just so new that there's really not many to choose from. So, give you an idea here. Up here on the hood, it's really nothing. A little minor rock chip right there, actually. The rest is just residual dust from the detail. A Mazda CX-5 isn't typically something that we keep in our inventory, but again, this car was just so nice. We took it on trade from a local customer that we decided to list it. Start up here on the driver front wheel. Excellent shape. Zero, actually, I shouldn't say zero. A little bit of curb rash right there. Right there on the edge. It almost blended in with the tire. Keeping me on my toes today. Got your keyless entry system here with the button press. And back here to the driver rear wheel. Okay, this one I can say for sure does not have any damage. I don't see any curb rash around the edges. I don't see any scrapes on the spokes. This one looks excellent. These Toyo tires on here still have 8/32 of tread left. And front and rear brakes measured at 10mm up front and 8mm out back here. You'll see a few little minor scratches here by the cargo area, but it does have this little bumper guard, so that does help. And over here to the passenger rear wheel. About the same as the other side, very good shape. This one I don't see any curb rash. And no damage or scrapes to any of the spokes here. And last but not least, here is the passenger front. About the same as the others. I think it's just the driver front that had some of that little curb rash, but this was in good shape. No curb rash there around the edges. Might be a little small mark on that spoke. And we'll take you into the interior. Let's get it unlocked first. Interior is a Caturra brown leather, and you'll see it's accented with some of the black standard leather and then almost like a walnut trim there. Little contrast stitching here to help out. All-weather floor mats, and you have the all-weather cargo mat in the rear. Bose premium audio, power memory driver's seat, the driver and passenger seat are both heated and ventilated. Nice big updated screen there from Mazda. This does have Apple CarPlay. You do have your heated steering wheel function there, and multi-zone climate control, electric parking brake and auto hold. Multi-function steering wheel. And you can see there on the bottom right of the instrument cluster, you'll see just over 8,000 miles. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.